General characters of algae. So algae are found in marine water and in fresh water. There are about 1,800 genera and 21,000 species of the algae distributed throughout the world, and they occur in the different kinds of habitats. Habitats is nothing but the living place of the algae. So they are found on moist soil, or in water, or in marine water, or on ice. So there are the different kinds of the habitats. So vegetative structure shows a variation. Variation means the differ in the thallus organization or thallus structures. So they are simple unicellular. For example, the chlorella. Chlorella is made from a single cell. To some members, they made from the many cells and so the complex structures. For example, the polysiphonia. Plant body also shows the distinct or the visible variation in size. So they are from the few microns. For example, the chlorella, or they are the many meter long. Example, the macrocystis. There are the 7 divisions in algae as per the G.M. Smith classification. In division Cyanophyta, all the members are with the prokaryotic cells. This means that the nucleus present in the cells are not covered or surrounded by the nuclear membranes. So Cyanophyta show similarity with the bacteria. In bacteria also the prokaryotic nature of cells are the seen. In remaining 6 divisions of algae, all the members shows the prokaryotic cells, means the nucleus is surrounded or covered by the nuclear membrane. Algae are autotrophic, means they manufacture their own food material during the process of the photosynthetics. So for the photosynthetic pigments are needed. So photosynthetic pigment in general are the chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, carotene, and the xanthophyll. So these pigments are needed for the process of photosynthetics, and during this process of the photosynthesis, algae can manufacture their own food materials. In division Rhodophyta and Mixophyceae, phycobilins are present. So phycobilins are nothing but the particular proteins. Proteins are present in these 2 divisions. Rhodophyta also called the red algae, Mixophyceae called the blue-green algae. So blue-green color appear due to the particular phycobilin. In Rhodophyceae, the red color appear due to the phycoerythrin, and in Mixophyceae, the blue-green color appear due to excess the amount of the phycocyanin pigment. Remaining portions of the general characters will be discussed in next lecture.